Acquiring a copier for your business is one of the biggest investment decisions you will have to make. You have to be 100% sure to choose the most cost-efficient equipment for your home or office. Here at ABD Office Solutions, we help you choose the most suitable copier by leveraging your printing needs with the features of the equipment and also with your budget. That is why we provide complete printing solutions, where machines, supplies, and services are bundled together to ensure a smooth, efficient, and hassle-free imaging environment. You're sure to find the ideal printer or copier for your business with the best deal. Whether you're looking for a new copier or wanting to save money on a refurbished one, you've come to the right place. We have a large inventory of printers, copiers, and production machines from the leading brands like Xerox, Sharp, Toshiba, Ricoh, and Canon. So no matter which brand or model you're looking for, we're sure to have it in stock. To learn more of our products, visit our website at www.abdofficesolutions.com or call area code 377-303-6123 for more information. This is Tony with ABD Office Solutions, your trusted document imaging specialist.